am wanting to glaze the pottery that was in the last vlog, just because I might be going into the kiln tomorrow, so I just want to make sure that those are ready in case I do go in. So let me just get started on painting or glazing, but you paint on glaze, so it's painting. Wow, there's some roses ready. Should I go pick them? This is everything that I want to glaze today. These plates are what I made in my last vlog. I'm also making a separate video showing the full process from start to finish. And then these things are what I made with friends the other day. I haven't videoed making them, but these are going to be little fridge magnets, 2 butterflies. This is like a little envelope, but it has a opening at the top so that a photo can sit in it. This is just a test tile with new clay that I received, so I just want to do a little test to see how white it actually fires to. And then these are house numbers to hang on the wall. They are hollow on the back, and then it has like a little lip there to hang on a nail. This is a lamp base that I made quite a while ago. I've just been trying to look for a nice lampshade that I like for it. I wanted to first see what color and style lampshade I found before deciding on what color and style to make the actual base, but I'm just going to leave it a plain white because I found a natural fabric lampshade, so I wanted to stick with a more neutral theme. Okay, I've just finished glazing everything. I'm just going to pack it all very gently into a box so that it's ready for tomorrow when I go to the kiln. But the glaze does look white when it has been painted on, but when it gets fired it goes transparent. last time I videoed was like a week ago, but I haven't actually been able to do any more pottery so far this week. I had a friend coming to visit from South Africa, which was really nice. Right now I'm on my way to work. I work at a gold mine, but I work from home. But sometimes I go in for like a site visit, or if I need to go in for a meeting or something. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I need to go in for a site visit. But on the way there, I'm stopping by at a cafe just for a coffee with some friends. So enjoy this footage of me going on a little outing. I'm busy driving back home now. It's only 2, so I'm thinking there might actually be enough time to do some pottery. I in fact did not do pottery when I got home. I ate some food and then crashed a little bit. So tomorrow I will do pottery. Okay, it's the next day and I am gonna make pottery this time. So the idea is to make those viral bow mugs that I've seen everywhere. I think I want to do 2 different versions. So the one version is where it's a slab mug and the actual handle is the bow, and then the other one is making a pinch pot mug with a bow that sits on top of the handle. The idea is to make those for another video as part of the Pinterest series. So I will be making a full video of the actual mugs in a separate video, but for now, just enjoy me making the actual items. I must be honest, I'm never going to make those ever again. Hats off to the ceramic businesses that sell those bow mugs, because I only made one of each and I wanted to cry. It was, yeah, yeah. Anyway, I'm done.